Money for this, money for anything. No. Nigerians are paid online. It is immigration's responsibility to foot your bill. Don't push the bill to Nigerians. If I hear, say you say money for card, money for this, you go collect.
And there is another one upstairs.
Okay, how many options?
We have 4 machines here.
4 machines.
Three machines, then one upstairs.
Okay, make it 4.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Sorry, please. Sorry. Good morning, sir. Please, I think you should just be on the other side of the day. I just want to know about your experience. Sorry, did anybody register online? Please, what's your experience like? No, I mean, here, I'm just going to know you when you're going to tell me. Yes. I didn't tell them I was coming. I just decided to just come because I want to know, I really want to know how people are doing it. I think when you apply online, you come here because I'm hearing some small gossips. Maybe people that registered online are cheated. So I want just to know. So please, if there's any complaint, I would really like to know. Perfect. Yes. Thank you so much. Please, with it. No complaint. Thank you so much. Hey, boy. Big boy. Thank you. God bless you. How long is this going to take? How many enrollments have you done today?
We've done like 7.
7. What's your time? How long does it take to do an enrollment?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So 3 times 7. 21. What's your time?
It's just 3 minutes and 4 minutes to 10.
4 minutes to 10?
Yes, sir.
When did you open?
We put on the gen by 9:30.
To what time are you supposed to open?
We are supposed to open by 8, but we wait the arrival of applicants.
Okay, applicants were by 9, right?
9:30.
Okay, so they can, no, when, so 9, then you have done 7, that's 21 minutes. So it means that by 9:30, I expect to see at least 1 or 2 applicants here. Right? Because I can see some people waiting downstairs, and our responsibility is to be efficient. Our responsibility is not to keep people waiting. It's not just good enough for you to serve people. You must serve people well, diligently. Because I can see people downstairs, even the other capturing center, I think about almost 10 people are there waiting for capturing, which is okay. I don't have a problem. But those that are waiting, it will not cost you anything if you use this place for them. And secondly, who is doing the enrollment?
She's doing the enrollment.
You are doing the enrollment. Who is doing the capturing? So why can't you do it simultaneously? It's not the same person doing it, and it's not the same system.
We have an officer going to call.
No, where is...
Can you please hold on?
Listen, it doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't make sense to me. People are there waiting. Some of these people still need to go to work. Some of these people, they've got other things to do. So if the essence here is division of labor, she is doing enrollment, you are doing capturing. So why must you wait till you enroll everybody before you do capturing? Somebody can go there, call somebody, you do the enrollment, then you do the capturing, the person goes and vice versa. You could do that. So why must you? You're wasting people's precious time. Time is money. Time is expensive. It's unacceptable. It is unacceptable. The one that you said is for the masses, that is there. And people are already there. I can see the queue. They are doing enrollment, they are doing capturing. They are there. The one for the masses. But this place, because of VIP, and Nigeria has no VIP. So because it's for VIP and children now, so definitely you people will just be taking AC and be chopping line. Why Nigerians are waiting downstairs? It's unacceptable. When you wear this uniform, you wear a uniform of sacrifice. When you wear this uniform, you wear a uniform of service. You are here to work for the people. I'm not impressed with this because I can't get here and not see people. Because once there is no, how many times do you get VIPs? your so-called and unquote, your so-called VIP, I mean, quote and unquote. How many times do you get there? Not every day, not at all times. How many times do you have children? Not at all times. So, for me, I can't enter. No matter what you tell me, it doesn't apply to me. To put it mildly, you cannot, and I repeat, be here and there's nobody